Welcome, today I am with iPad mini 2021 and today I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So the first I'm going to start about features that you can find in the settings, but let's open camera at the first and then just simply go for the settings. To enter camera settings we have to scroll down on the settings and go right here, and as you can see at the first we are able to change quality of the video and slow motion. So we can record video even at the 4K at 60 frames per second, and I can recommend you this. This quality is the higher resolution and the most smoother quality. The slow motion you can record on the 120 and 240, so it depends of your preferences. I honestly want to get 240. Below we are able to scan QR codes with our camera, so when you enable this option and then open camera right here and go for the photo mode, you will be able to scan the QR codes. Of course, I'm going to show you how it works. Let me just quickly open the QR code on my private smartphone. QR code, graphic and Google. Okay, and I can take, for example, this one. So take a look. As you can see, it detects this QR code, and here we can open it by tapping on the screen and it will be moved to this website. So that's pretty simple, as you can see. Let's take a look on the other settings that we can find. Okay, we are here. We can also enable the Gridlines. So take a look right now. We got on the screen this help Gridlines, also with the camera leveler. So if you want to put object in the middle in your photo, you will be able to make it definitely easier right now with this help lines on the screen. Just like that. Okay, and another option that you can find in this mirror front camera, so we can stay with your picture like on the preview without flipping them automatically in the camera. Right now when you are in the camera mode, we can also find a few useful options. For example, we can add the timer. So if you want to take photo after 3 or 10 seconds, just select, press shutter, and the photo will be taken. We are also able to change brightness level on the photo. Let me show you maybe on this plant. So we can basically click here on the screen and then decrease or increase brightness level. We can take it like that. Okay, I can turn off this shutter. Take a look, that's our photo. The same we can make in the video mode. We can increase or decrease the brightness level. We can also find a few different modes like panorama, square, the slow motion, time-lapse, but these modes are very common, and honestly there's nothing special here, so I cannot even show you cool features. Unfortunately, in the Apple devices we don't have that much option in the camera like in the Android smartphones, for example Samsung, Vivo or Realme. So that's all. If you find something useful, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.